Alright, so we have another live trading video back to back, doing absolutely amazing in the market this week. I'm going to be very consistent with my content this year, supposedly, but yeah, I'm going to get straight into it, man. Alright, so I'm looking at GBPUSD at the moment. We literally just tapped the zone, so I want to see if we're going to hold at this zone or if we're going to break it. If we get a break of the candle entry, then I'm going to enter. News is in about 30 minutes, so it's a little bit risky, but I do like this setup. We have a break of structure and all EMAs are in confluence. It's kind of like the setup that we took yesterday. This one is a little bit more cleaner than the one we took yesterday, in my opinion. So we're gonna see if this holds. Last week was profitable. That was the first week of 2025. This week, it would have been profitable if I didn't try hold my trade on Monday. My trade on Monday just ran for a 1-to-1, and then it reversed. And I was trying to hold for a 1-to-2. It did not want to give me a 1-to-2. Tuesday took an L on, I think it was GU. Tuesday took an L on GU. Wednesday didn't trade Wednesday. Thursday win on GU, and Friday we're looking at GU once again. This is like the first setup that's appearing that I like. This one might blow. This is a lot of momentum up. This one might actually just blow. You might not even get a record candle. Gotta be super patient with these trades. Don't want to rush into them. There's like a minute 30 till the next candle prints. Okay, we're gonna see if we can get a break. Finally, looks like we're coming down. We're gonna get a break here. Okay, so I just entered on GBPUSD. Just entered on GU. Do not reject on me right here. Let's see what GU wants to do today. Let's see what GU wants to do today. We have news in about 10 minutes, so this trade is a little bit risky because of news. But I got my targets. I wanna try to reach my targets. This week's been a little bit slow, so we're gonna see. We're gonna see. We're about £90 right now. We're about £100. Nice. So we just hit our 1-to-1 of about £131. I'm gonna hold. I want to hold it at least down to these lows down here. So I'm gonna see if we get there. So we have a lot of momentum with this setup. So let's see if we can reach our 1-to-1. Nice, so we reached our first target, so I'm gonna close one position. And then I'm gonna see how much we can make from the other one. If we can get at least 180 for today, I'll be happy with that. 180 for today, and then we can push down more. I'm gonna move my stop loss to break even as well. Let's see how this candle starts. Acting. If it starts acting funny, I'm just gonna take my win and go. I'm getting ready to get out of this trade if I need to. We do have news soon, so I might just see what's going on. We have news very soon. Can we get 100 on this position? This candle doesn't really want to push. This candle does not want to push, bro. That's the momentum. We've got like 1 minute before the candle closes, and we're going to see what happens. News is coming out very, very soon, so I might just close 5 minutes before news anyway. You don't want to be trading with news. It's a very, very, very big risk. Looks like it's pushing down though. I'm good with that. I'm absolutely good with that. So another profitable week. We've been smashing it with this strategy. First 2 weeks, very, very, very profitable. If you want to watch more live trading videos, then make sure to follow, make sure to subscribe, like the video, comment. I've got a Discord below if you want to join. DM me on Instagram if you have any questions, all of that good stuff.